This is Wendy Briggs with Hygiene Diamonds. Another question I'm asked frequently is, what is it about our company or our program that's different from the other dental consultants out there? Now, one thing I feel very strongly about is that everyone who is on my team are actually doing what we teach. We are dental professionals. We are hygiene coaches, which means all of us are hygienists and highly productive hygienists that have a very good track record of personal productivity. So, there are a lot of great people out in dentistry with a lot of great ideas, but something I feel very strongly about, again, is that we actually have to be in the trenches, living what we teach. And all of the people on my team, again, have proven themselves as top producers in the field. Another thing that I think is really important is it's not enough just to know how to be productive, but you also need to know how to teach it in such a way that other people can assimilate what it is that you're talking about. So we've created very simplified systems that enable every hygienist or every practice to actually do what it is that we have done personally. We've seen this time and time and time again. So that's something I think that sets us apart from other dental professionals out there, is that we actually are productive hygienists teaching these models, and we're currently in the trenches right now. Another thing too is that we don't focus primarily on soft tissue management. Now, many other hygiene consulting firms, that is their primary focus. But we look at hygiene from three completely different roles. And again, periodontal therapy is one of those roles, but there are many other things we feel that a hygienist needs to know how to do, and it needs to be very good at to improve overall practice profitability. So again, we're not just looking at soft tissue management, and we are in the trenches, real world dental hygiene professionals actually living what it is that we teach.
And we love you.
Hi, my name is Kim Campo, and we just started the Whitening for Life program.
Hi, my name is Dr. Art Engelage, and I've known Wendy Briggs about a year now.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rob Heron from Columbus, Kansas, small town in the southeast corner.
Hello, this is Dr. Eric Compton from Munster, Indiana.
Hi, I'm Robin from Dr. Brad Parker's office.
I'm Dr. Kevin Bond. I practice in Lake Mary, Florida, which is a suburb of Orlando.
Hi, my name is Dr. Stephanie Aldrich, and I'm a general dentist from Ohio, and I've been using Wendy Briggs's Hygiene Diamonds program for about a year. It's been about April of 2007.
And we use Wendy Briggs and her Whitening for Life program and her Diamond Hygiene program.
And it's amazing that I read all the information and I was a little skeptical that it would actually work, but it really does work.
And I noticed that doing the Whitening for Life program, we've brought in over 700 patients that have signed up for the program.
It works great. Wendy is a fabulous support person for the office. You have a question, she and her team are there to answer it for you.
Our production, we were doing an average of about $850 a day per hygienist, and now we're up to $1,200 a day per hygienist.
She's got awesome ideas. Really think that she's on the cutting edge and really is in touch with what the hygienists are going through and what they can do.
The Whitening for Life program is fabulous. It is so exciting for the patients to get the additional bleaching and to continually to bring them in and for their recall appointments.
And that ensures that we have 700 people every year that are coming back for their cleanings. Also, using other strategies that she teaches us in her seminars and during all of her products that she makes, we've also increased our hygiene production from around $700 a day to over $1,100 a day. So, and that's each hygienist. I do have 2 of them.
Just this week before we left Thursday, we signed up 3 new patients for Whitening for Life, and because we're more in a cosmopolitan, high-end area, we decided to go a little bit higher than what Wendy recommends. And it's still working, and patients still love it because they're using it as part of their whole treatment.
She's been invaluable in training my hygienist. Some of the things that we've incorporated in our practice have been fluoride treatments for adults, Whitening for Life, which recruits patients for you every 6 months and keeps them coming back into your practice.
I took 2 brand new hygienists fresh out of school to Wendy's summer fast start type of program for hygienists, and they came back the very next month, and between 3 of the hygienists that have learned Wendy's techniques, they produced $58,000 the very next month in my practice.
And Wendy is just fabulous. She's got some great information. She's really helping our practice go to the next level.
That has been just a cash cow for us in our practice, and we've been very pleased with everything.
So we've been really pleased with it and pleasantly surprised, so we're excited.
I highly recommend Wendy to help your hygiene department.
So I can't thank you enough, Wendy, and you guys got to do it.
I can't recommend it high enough to you. If you have hygienists that you want to get started quick, go see Wendy here in the summer.
And what's so good about Wendy, too, is that it's practical experience. She walks the walk and talks the talk.